What's up, everyone? It's your boy, JOHABRAHAM. We're back. We're back with the lap chords and downward grammar spray. Oh shit. I did not notice that was on. Don't worry, that's just me. That's just my YouTube title. Yeah, that's just my YouTube title. Title generator. What? You use ChatGPT for your titles?
Hi, Josh.
Hey yo, what's up? Who was at the stream? Devoto did. Hey yo, appreciate you for checking out the stream. Uh, yep, I do use ChatGPT for the title. What are you gonna do, huh? For the title description, of course. It's better than typing it myself. But I thought it was. I thought you did it on your own. Nuh-uh.
Okay.
Okay, what? Oh, the title? Yeah. One hour. 1 hour. Is there set a timer for 15 minutes? ChatGPT slow, glitchy, laggy, stupid. What's this then? So according to, we start with 4.1, then 4.2, 4.2 to 4.4. 4.2, 4.3, 4.4. Okay, okay. 4. Each student knows how to determine a pH value of solution using indicator paper. Small strip of the indicator is moistened with the solution of the part from part 1 and each of the following solution either by one drop via pipette or by using glass rod. I think about why you should not dip the indicator paper into the solution. It's going to absorb a lot. Different neutralization reaction performed and the results are compared to each other. The following 3 neutralization reactions are performed. Therefore, 2 milliliters of required acid and base are pipetted using graduated pipette into a test tube mixed, and the pH value is determined using indicator paper. Pardon me. Follow the 3 neutralization reaction. What? Following 3 neutralization reactions are performed. Therefore, 2 milliliters of the required acid and base are pipetted using graduated pipette into a test tube, mixed, and the pH value is determined using an indicator paper. 2 milliliters, 2 milliliters. Part 4 buffer solution. 2 different buffers are prepared and compared in an unbuffered solution. Okay, so according to Claude, I start with section 4.1. Then start section 1 while 4.x wraps up. Is there using graduated pipette, prepare 6 small beakers, 2 with 10 milliliter buffer, 1 per beaker, 2 with 10 milliliter buffer, 2 with 10 milliliter deionized water. Measure the pH value of each solution. Then add 2 milliliters of 0.1 HCl or 2 milliliters of 0.1 NaOH using a graduated pipette to these solutions according to the list below. All iron and ammonia or ammonia containing solutions are collected in the corresponding waste container. All other solutions can be poured into a sink. Okay. During section 1 weights, chemical equilibrium Fe3 plus thiocyanate. It's the 5.1. Prepare stock solution from, okay, that's from this one. And another thing is, no, the given. So we got volumetric flask with stopper. Redo HNO3 acidification 5.2. Yeah, I have to do that one. How is 5.1 looking? Put a spatula tip of sodium dihydrogen phosphate into a test tube and mix it properly. Identify and weigh all the three fractions. Cyanometer, isopropanol for insoluble density. Okay. Transcopper glycinate, weigh both. Transfer cis. Filtrate into the round bottom flask with zeolites. Reflux 1 hour. Hot filtration, weigh both products. Wait, it should be at least in there for 2 days, right? Wait, you know what? I'm gonna keep it. hmm I'm gonna put it in the desiccator and do it the next day. Okay, okay. It's a tight schedule, but if I could pull this off, that means I can pull a lot of stuff off. That boy 2 confirms strontium and boron, bromide, bromide. What? That's section 6. Some of the experiments are very sensitive, thus pay special attention to the word cleanly and use only clean glasswares. Okay. Now, just write me how and in which order I'm gonna do do lab work on Monday. First thing, check your bench before anything else. Bro, just no, don't write. Okay, I just need the section number and the sub number. Don't explain. It's for me. Copy, paste to another. This is one way of how I could do my lab work on Monday. Bro, why is there a rainbow wheel? Whoa, the fuck is that? Ow. I need to see that. Bro, I really like you, bro, but I need to see this one. It's gone. It's gone. Mm-hmm. Okay. 15 minutes. Push up. The order is mostly logical, but the small adjustments will make it more efficient because some sections create waiting time, drying reaction settings, etc. etc. The main goal is to start anything that requires waiting as early as possible. Optimize Monday order of work 4.2. Mm, this completes the entire section 4, while reagents and setup are fresh. Section 1 start immediately after section 4. Important because precipitation, filtration, drying indicator. The drying step can take time, so starting earlier is helpful. Section 5.1 now you have to get the stock solution from 4.1 so you can continue directly. Section 5.2, this step is relatively quick once precipitates are prepared. Once precipitates are prepared. Okay, 5.2. I don't have to do 5.2. I just have to confirm. No, I have to. I have to do the part 5.2 part 1 for the nitric acid one. Oh, come on. Section 4.1 to 4.4, 1.5 hours to 2 hours. Bro, why is section 4.1 taking that long? I don't think so. Did I set the next timer? No. How long have I been streaming? 20 minutes. So, hey Siri, set a timer for 10 minutes. Could you care to explain why the section 4 is taking the longest? Because I feel like section 2 is also gonna take some time. The same goes for section. Why is it slow? Where is it? So I have seen others preparing the solution in this to get the exact concentrations. To 50 milliliters volumetric flask for 0.1. 100 milliliter volumetric flask, okay. No, I haven't done any calculations, so let me know, how do I start with section 4? Hmm. 6.758. What? Okay. Now, when I looked into the experimental that I have done with, which was discarded because I didn't write my place number, was measure 2.72 grams of FeCl 3.H2O and dissolve in 50 milliliter water, then add to, you know what? All right. Now, section 4. These two were used to get the exact concentrations and the 0.01 mole was made using the 100 milliliter one, and the 0.004 mole was made using the 250 ml one. 100 milliliter volumetric flask. Add H2O until the marking. Then separate 10 milliliter solution from that and add to the 250 milliliter volumetric flask. Add ionized water until let me see what again with how much of the salt should I be starting? I need to remove that shortcut. Hot corners? Nah, none. Application window, mission control. Okay, okay. Quick note, yeah, that makes sense. Application window. Wait. I don't get it. You don't know. Oh. 10 minutes. Push up time. Ow. Oh, my legs. It's reset a timer for 10 minutes. Yo, I can feel my body getting tired, bro. This is not good enough. I gotta redo this after 10 minutes. Okay, so I'm gonna be writing a little bit, and we gotta get the sources right. The desk view. Wait, okay, that's not it. Should I make myself even smaller? Maybe I could. Four point one. Prepare. Prepare the 0.1 more. Mm-hmm. FeCl3 dot 6H2O. And 0.004 more Fe. Three block. 2.72 grams. To dissolve completely to 100 milliliter volume metric flask. Let's say if I want a more precise value, how much of the salt should I be adding? Reach till the mark. Confirm with supervisor. Two point 703. 2.703 if you want more precise. 0.1 mole. Separate 10 milliliters to another 250 milliliter volumetric flask. Reach till the mark. Zero point 0.1 mole, 0.004 mole. Okay. Till the now test your solutions one by one. Oh, are we talking about how much or 10 minutes? Push ups. Hey Siri, set a timer for 10 minutes. Okay. To prepare all these into wait. And I'm guessing it's better to take some extra because I'll be using some of these for the other parts of section 4. So can you let me know which are the ones that I have to take extra as I'm gonna and the ones that are only used here, then not later. So basically, pour generous amount of the first 6. prepare or separate the following solutions. Take extra in the test tube, reuse only once, so a little. HCl, NaOH, NH3, CH3CONA, NH4Cl. 0.12, 0.1 more. Uh, Yo, did you see that? My hand literally went for a back button. That's weird. FeCO 2, 0.004 FeCl2, Cl2, Cl3, yeah. Stock solution 0.01 NaOH. I don't know about the 0.01 NaOH because I feel like these could be used again. NaCO. How do I stick those pH papers onto my book? Or I could take a picture. Yeah, I could take a picture, but it's not fun, right? How? How do I stick a tape? Of course, a tape, but I don't have a tape. I should buy. I guess I gotta buy tape. Okay, so measuring pH, and that's it for oh bro, come on, stop. 10 minutes. Okay, okay, okay. Hey Siri, set a timer. Hey Siri, set a timer for 10 minutes. Push-ups. Okay, I'm guessing I got distracted at the last 5 minutes. At least it's better than before. It's better than before. Okay. Now start with the section 4.3. Bro, you're not explaining. You do three reactions each in a separate test tube. 2 milliliter. The following neutralization reactions are performed for 2 milliliters of the required acid and base are pipetted using graduated pipette into a test tube mixed with pH value is determined using an indicator paper.
Hello.
Boke CD clips. Yo, what's up? Appreciate you for checking out the stream. Interesting name. Is it your first time into the stream? Feels like it is, cause I don't remember your name. Maybe I'm wrong. My memory's not the best. Oh, no.
What's going on?
What's going on? So, basically, I am preparing for my general chemistry lab. I have to do the said reaction or experiment in the lab. For example, section 4, acids and bases. I have to prepare a solution, then I have to determine the pH value, then I have to do a neutralization reaction, then I have to create a buffer solution. That's for just for section 4. So it's basically like I'm preparing myself for the lab that is coming in tomorrow. That's it. And yeah. I'm guessing it's your first time in the stream. Well, appreciate you for checking out the stream. Respect. What made you click the stream though? Was it uh I don't know, was it general chemistry? Like I don't think there was a lot in the title. Maybe the word perfomaxing? How's that? I made it. Please tell me there's no other word like perfomaxing, please. Please. Perfomaxing. Oh no. Okay. The first thing that comes up is my stream. That's cool. Nope. Okay. Interesting. I really thought there was a word for perfomaxing. Yeah, the
Yeah, the
word.
word PERFOMAXXIN.
Oh, okay. I appreciate that. So it's basically, I mean, of course, you could connect the dots, right? Looks maxing. What looks maxing? What else is there? Gunnar maxing? Nah, that's not a word. Aura maxing, all of these words. I was like, okay, what am I doing? I am preparing for my
I'm an
classes.
IG student.
I'm an IGCSE student. IGCSE. I heard of the term. What's IGCSE? Let me copy. Paste. Cambridge. Okay. International General Certificate of Secondary Education. Ah. So it's like an international syllabus. I think I know I one of my friend is also the same thing.
Yes.
Okay, which um Yum, yum, yum. So are you at the last year, or did you just started, or was your whole school was IGCS? Because I when I googled it up, it was like um
Yep,
IGC
last year.
last year. Okay, that's cool. Because there's a good thing about IGCS. At least that's what I felt. One of my friend, like I said, was IGCS, and he had much easier way in fitting in with the university. That was pretty cool because I took Indian uh, CBSE Central. It's an Indian syllabus, and I had a bit hard time adjusting with the with the international university syllabus. But the friend who took IGCS, he kind of pulled it off. Maybe it's his thing, but I feel like IGCS is pretty cool if you're going for university or something. Well, where you based in? If you are okay in letting me know that, if it's not too private, where are you studying this IGCS course or
Yeah, that's
syllabus?
true.
Yeah, that's true. For university, I guess. Yeah, it's I guess it's true because but yeah. So I just observe. Okay. I apologize if there's a latency issue because there's a 10 to 15-second delay from what I'm saying and the delay it takes for you to reach what I'm
I'm doing
saying.
chem and physics in my course.
I'm doing chemistry and physics. That's cool. Chemistry and physics. Two amazing subjects. I'm doing biochemistry. My bachelor's in biochemistry. And I gotta say, chemistry's not my palette, but the more I learn, the more I understand. Yeah, this thing
Cool.
is important. Cool. Cool on the latency, I guess. Okay. Now 4.3 neutralization reaction. Do you have any interested subjects you want to pursue, or am I asking too many questions? Uh 1 2
CS is my fav subject.
computer science. Okay. So, are you into, you know, simulation? Like physics, chemistry simulation type stuff, or I don't know. Okay, I'm guessing you're going for CS then to pursue. 2 milliliters. Blah, 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 blah. Acid, base, HCl.
I will apply to a Germany university.
I will apply to Germany university. German university. Okay. Interesting. So you're going for computer science in German university. That's actually a good plan. Not gonna lie. Right now, uh, yeah, computer science is kind of booming. So step in the right direction. So step in the right direction. There's a there's a course in my university which has the highest number of students. It's called Bachelor's in AI, and that course has about 750 students. Like it's interesting that there's a lot of people pursuing um, this course.
AI is on trending RN.
Yeah, AI is on trending right now. It is trending. I mean, even I also want to learn machine learning type shit. I'm still not sure what exactly I want to learn because I don't know. But yeah, I also want to learn how to make use of this computer computation onto biology. I believe you could achieve a lot. But yeah, I'm still nowhere close. Still a beginner, still pursuing. 2 milliliters. A plus. CS3COOH and OH. 0.12 mole. 2 milliliters. HCl. Wait. NH3. Okay. So that's like 0.12 mole. 2 milliliters. Measure 2 milliliters using graduated pipette. Mm-hmm.
Trust me, try to get into some activities or courses in Western side that will help you.
Trust me, try to get into some activities or courses in Western side that will help you. Interesting. Mm, yeah,
Like US.
like US. Yeah. So, I mean, of course, different places have their own stuff. I'm still figuring out what exactly I wanna go deeper into, but yep, biochemistry is the first step. I would most likely go into biology. There's a lot of potential inside biology. Ain't gonna lie, I can't lie. Record pH.
Doctor?
Nah, no disrespect to doctors. I really like doctors. Doctors are like a spine of a society, but I'm not into a doctor. I wanna go more. I'm gonna go for. Oh, when you heard biology, you thought like human biology? No, I'm talking genetics, DNA, CRISPR. Like I said, I'm still figuring out. Like I just said some random words, right? I'm still figuring out where exactly should I start looking into. Okay, that's done. Neutralization. Okay. pH and observe.
What's her opinion on war going on in Middle East?
What's your opinion on the war going on in Middle East? I gotta say, bro, I feel like it's stupid, but but first, I don't know. Maybe I'm saying a controversial opinion, but asking another country to surrender, I don't know. I don't know how that's gonna translate in this world. Like you can go for peace talks. That's the way how it should work. Not like surrender. I don't know. I don't know. My opinion on the war on Middle East is the same as the war between India Pakistan. It's stupid. Come on, we're acting like we solved all the problems and we're creating more problems. No, we got a lot of stuff to figure out, and we're still making more problems. Like, are we stupid? Yep, we are stupid. So yeah, okay. Now, section 4, part 4. Boxy Declips. What's your opinion? If you don't mind me asking. Like I said, I'm trying to figure out what's true.
I think it's all to hide Epstein files case.
Yeah, that's also there. That's also there. I also heard that one. But come on, man, come on. Take the L, bro. Take the L. You gotta. Sometimes you gotta just take the fucking L. Lot of politics going on. Mm, First, prepare buffer solutions. 15 milliliters, bleh. 15 milliliters, bleh. Okay, that's taken. Let me know when you much low. Shawty, I'm gonna get ya. You know I'm gonna get ya. Oh, dude. Whoa. Oh, stupid. You know, these are the times where I rethink. Ah, I missed one compound. Please, please don't let this happen again. Especially when it's something, when it's an important time. I cannot afford to lose CH3 COO H. Be buffer one 15 milliliters of blah blah. Using measuring cylinder, yeah, okay. Buffer two 15 milliliters, 15
It's her
milliliters.
exam going on.
It's your exam going on? No, it's, you could say it's a sort of exam. Like I have to do these experiments on my own, and I get about 4 hours on a day. So if I am not precise, if I'm not fast, if I don't know what I'm doing, I am gonna be held back. I'm gonna be slow. So the better I'm prepared, the better I know. Okay, I did this. What's the next thing? What's the next thing? What's the next thing? If I know that, I could pull this off easier. So it's not an exam, but it is kind of testing your knowledge in how you're gonna handle this experiment. So yeah, not a written exam, but a sort of exam. If you look into what an exam is, but there is an exam. There is an exam for this. It's like an online exam for this whole lab course. But I don't think that exam is hard. The hardest part would be this thing, what you have to do in the lab. Maybe it's for me. Maybe for me, this would be the harder part. Then set up six beakers. Six beakers? Do I have six beakers? Okay, one, two, 10 milliliters of buffer one, buffer two, 10 milliliters of deionized water. Okay, okay. Measure and record pH of 6 before adding anything. Okay. Six beakers. Well, which beaker do I have six of them? I don't know. I don't have enough space to write it here. Okay, I'm guessing it's more than 1 hour, right? Yep. I should change subject. I should go look into organic chemistry for a bit. Yo, Boke CD Clips, I really appreciate you for checking out the stream. Now I'm gonna end the stream and start with organic chemistry. So, yeah. I don't know if you're still here, but I really appreciate you checking out the stream. Respect. Okay. Phone cam should not have been like that. Desk view close. Okay.
Okay, bye.
Peace.